Hello, my name is Cristian Rafael Lopez Rodriguez. Is presenting recipe potato and ham omelette. Service 1 to 2. Total time 8 to 10 minutes. Difficulty very is ingredients for 1 omelette. Those 2 eggs, 1 medium potato or those small ones, 2 to 3 slices of ham or turkey ham, 1 tablespoon of oil, olive or vegetable, salt to taste, pepper optional, grated cheese optional for extra richness. Instructions to make a quick potato and ham omelette. First, peel and dice a potato. Fry it in a pan with a little oil over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes until soft. Meanwhile, beat the 2 eggs in a bowl with a little salt and pepper. When the potato is ready, add the diced ham and meat, everything together. Pour the beaten eggs over the potato and ham. Let it cook over medium-low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. When the eggs are set, flip it over with a plate and cook the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes.